Fly babies. Hello, my lions. How are you today? Today is Friday. So what we're going to do today is get up and do our morning routines. After the routines, we're going to put our children through their routines or other family members. When that's done, if you're working, you're going to go to work. When you get to work, you're going to say hello to your friends, coworkers, and employees. Go to your nice clean desk, open up your control journal, do the menial things first, get into the tasks for the week. You know, this is the last day of the week. How have you done? Analyze that. Work from that, learn from that. On your lunch hour and break, what are you going to do today? Well, today is car and purse day, so you can totally get that done. Grab a couple of those garbage bags from your desk that I always tell you to keep. Go to your car, clean your car out, throw the trash away, put anything that needs to be put away in a bag and put it on the floor of the front seat or front seat, and when you get home, take it out and go put it away. Vow that this won't happen again. Every time you take off your car seat or your seat belt, look around and see what you can bring with you. Don't leave with empty hands if there's anything in your car. Okay, and make sure your children do it too. You have to delegate that duty to them. It's a way to teach them how to keep their car clean. All right, next thing we're going to do is purse. So you can do your purse on your lunch hour or break. Just dig around in there, get your trash out, throw it away. If there's anything in there that doesn't belong, pacifier, children's hairbrush, toys, whatever, put them in a garbage bag, ball them up, stick them back in your purse. When you get home, that gets put away too. All right, for your home things, we've got today is the kitchen. It's the last day in the kitchen. So while dinner is cooking tonight, after you've got the laundry going, after you've gone through 1 inch of paper, then get your dinner cooking. While your dinner is cooking, you've got a few minutes, 15 or so, go ahead and do something in your kitchen, either declutter or clean something. And that's it for the week. You're done. So if you have any weekly home blessing remaining, you might want to get that done as well. Maybe delegate that. That's my total recommendation. Simple process. Look, you can't sit on your hands and expect your family to clean, but you can expect your family to work while you're working. Set the tone. Do it yourself. Now, we're not going to be crazy and ask anybody to do anything that takes longer than 5 or so minutes. Just pick a little something and get it done. Weekly home blessing hour, each thing takes about 10 minutes, but you can split it up. All right, so hopefully you won't have too much to do on Saturday if you've gotten all this done this week. Let's go and look at the at-home fly babies and lions and see how they're doing, and then we'll come together at dinner. All right, so at-home fly babies, at-home lions, how are you doing today? Are you the CEO of your home? Good. Okay, so you've done your morning routines. That's all done. The kids are in school or at home school or whatever we're doing. Or you've got babies, or you don't have kids at the house or whatever. Next, we're going to throw some laundry in the machine. No matter what your situation is, no matter what life is throwing at you, routines are done every day. So laundry in the machine. While the machine is running, go through 1 inch of paper if you still have any left. Go through your 1 inch of paper, pick out the things that require action, put them in your inbox. Pick out anything that might need to be filed, put it in your inbox. Everything else, shred it, throw it away. Done. You're done. Get it out of there. And be ruthless. Get rid of that stuff. Think about the things you're keeping and how often you've had to use those things. Like never, then don't keep those things anymore. You can always get a replacement if there's some type of a weirdo emergency, but you don't need to keep that clutter that you'll have to dig through and never find that thing anyway and still have to get a replacement for, right? Okay. All right, next thing we're going to do is the car and purse day. We just talked about it with the people at work, and I know you heard it, so get out there and get your car cleaned. If it's a good day and you feel like it, go get your car filled up with gas, maybe run it through the car wash. It's the end of the month. It might be a great way to start off. I mean, it's the beginning of the month. It might be a great way to start off the month if you haven't done that. Or just shake your mats, whatever, you know, it'll be okay. And then clean your purse out. Now at home you have the ability of dumping that thing out on the table, on the floor, on the bed, whatever, and just putting back in what you want to keep. Now if you're going to do it on your bedspread and you think there might be an open pen or a bottle of perfume or something, then make sure you protect your bedspread, but dump it out. And then put everything back in and throw the trash away and put things that don't belong in there away. And vow not to have those things in your purse anymore. Claim your purse. Claim your car. You can do it. All right, next thing we're going to do today is clean the kitchen. Do something in there. So if it's still cluttered, 15 minutes by the timer, stand in one place, throw away, put away, give away. Be ruthless. Don't keep 3 spatulas that are the same size and do the same thing. Why? Pick the one you like the best. Give the other 2 away if they're good. If they're old and crummy, throw them away. No one wants that. all right? And you don't need it in there taking up room either. Once you've decluttered, if you don't have clutter, then pick something to deep clean. Pick one thing. Let's say you haven't cleaned those counters in a really long time. Clear them off. Remember, the less stuff on your counter, the easier they are to keep clean, and the easier they are to clean, and the less clutter will collect on them if there's less stuff sitting out. Toasters, air fryers, I don't know, what do we have? Instant pots, crock pots, instant bullets, whatever, all that stuff, put it away. Have a nice clear thing. Now, sometimes our husbands really want one or two things out there, you know, so you humor them, but try not to keep too many things out. You're in charge. Put some things away. It'll make a big difference. All right, so pick something to do for 15 minutes or less. If it's deep cleaning and it takes you 8 minutes and you're done, you're done. Next is after dinner routine. So everybody come together. Everybody come together. All right, so we've had dinner, right? Everybody's had dinner. Now we're going to know that your sister lions, your sister fly babies, have their kids too with them, and they are setting the tone and setting the pace for those kids, and we are all cleaning the kitchen together. It takes that long. It's going to make a huge difference in your life. Everyone's happier. They feel productive. They feel like they've completed something. They've committed something to the household, to the family. They've contributed, and now they have before bed time to play for 30 minutes or read or play a game or relax or talk or whatever before it's time to get ready for bed. Maybe longer than 30 minutes, but that last 30 minutes, you're in charge, and you say 30 minutes and it's time for bed. And then at 25 minutes, you say 5 more minutes and it's time for bed. And then at 30 minutes comes, you say time for bed, time for you to put your toys away, time for you to put your clothes, your dirty clothes away, get your pajamas, well, don't put them away yet. Get your pajamas out, go brush your teeth, run your tub, get in the bathtub or the shower, put your clean clothes, pajamas on, put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, wipe the floor up if you spilled water in there, hang your towel up, wipe the sink out if you spit toothpaste in there, please, sir, and go to bed. Pick out a book and I'll read to you, or you can read to yourself, your choice. And we can read one book or one chapter of a chapter book or whatever you choose to do as CEO and with your kids. Just don't let them wrangle you into reading for an hour and a half, because they will let you read forever and you will fall asleep and they will be awake. How do I know this? Anyway, have a wonderful day, and always, always remember that you are beautiful.